In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple signatures in Docusign in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing complex agreements or simply need to gather approvals from several parties, adding multiple signatures can enhance the efficiency of your document workflow. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is renowned for its electronic signature capabilities and intelligent agreement management, making it the top choice for businesses and individuals alike. Once the web page has loaded, you'll see the main page where you'll need to log in. Locate the login button, usually positioned at the top right corner. Clicking this will take you to the login form. Enter your credentials to access your account and proceed to the Docusign homepage. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the homepage. Here, you'll see an option labeled Start right at the top. Clicking on this button is your gateway to initiating a new document sending process. Be sure you're ready with the document you want to distribute for signing, because this step is crucial to getting started on the right foot. Now, you'll need to add the basic details required for sending the document. Think of this step as filling out a cover sheet for your electronic signature request. This includes providing the names of the recipients who need to sign, as well as any additional information or instructions you want to include. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, look for the Next button and click it to move forward in the process. As we continue, the next screen will present you with the document you uploaded, along with a toolbox filled with options to add various fields to your document. To add a signature, click on Signature from the toolbox. But remember, since we're focusing on adding multiple signatures, you'll be clicking Signature for each signer you want to include. This process allows you to insert signature fields in different areas of the document as needed, ensuring that all parties have a designated spot to sign. Repeat this process for all the signature fields you need, carefully placing each one so they align with the intended signer's name. It's important to pay close attention to these details, as clarity here ensures a smoother signing process for everyone involved. By following these steps carefully, you should have your document perfectly set up, ready to be sent out for multiple signatures. With everything in place, simply proceed to send the document out and you're done. Docusign will take it from there, notifying your recipients to sign and streamlining the entire signature gathering workflow for you. Thanks for joining me in setting up multiple signatures in Docusign. Now you can efficiently handle documents that require multiple approvals with ease. Happy signing!